Hi, everybody. I hope you've had a fantastic spring break. I hope you're staying safe, staying healthy. And the purpose of this video is to show you how to do a few things this week and what the expectations are for this week. So, first thing you're going to want to do is click on this right here, and this is the notes page you're going to want to download and hang on to for the remainder of the unit. So, for like the next 3 weeks or so. You click here, it'll ask you to make a copy, and this will have notes for these 5 assignments. At the end of the unit, you'll turn in this notes page with all of these filled out, be a large chunk of your grade. So you're going to want to make sure you're keeping up. And the first thing you're going to be doing this week, first activity, is on that notes page. It's Introduction to Westward Expansion. And you're simply going to be going through a Nearpod, completing the activities, watching the videos, and filling out the notes you downloaded here. The other ones you'll be doing today, or this week, excuse me, are individually graded. So they aren't going on the notes page. You'll complete the assignment and submit the assignment. First one's an Edpuzzle video. I know you've been using those in math, so it should be pretty familiar to you. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Miss Crandall. Second is where you will be reading documents about the Lewis and Clark expedition and answering a question about the Lewis and Clark expedition. You'll then go ahead and submit your assignment. And the final one for this week is something new, something we're doing a little differently, where you are answering the question from the previous assignment. You had to write a paragraph explaining if you think Lewis and Clark are respectful to the Native Americans. Write that paragraph as well as on your assignment right here in Canvas. You need to use at least 2 pieces of evidence to back up your responses and then reply to one response, either agreeing, disagreeing, or extending someone's answers. So those are the 3 main assignments for this week: the notes, the video, and then the questions and the discussion go hand in hand. Once you've completed all that, you're going to complete a Flipgrid reflection. The instructions and the question are here when you click it. So that's what you're doing this week. Again, covering Louisiana Purchase and the Lewis and Clark expedition. As always, feel free to reach out to myself or Miss Crandall with any questions you have, and you're welcome to come to either of our office hours if you prefer a face-to-face conversation. Thank you very much.